Join us on our guided tour as we delve into the complexities of the trends of Waikato economy dashboards, where we will explore its intricate details. The Waikato economy trends dashboards encompass 9 distinct themes that provide insight into the regional economy. Prepare for an enlightening journey through this fascinating data landscape. Within the employment theme, let's dive into the sector level. Now, let's embark on an interactive journey into the Sector Performance Employment Dashboard to delve into its intricate details. Step into this interactive dashboard that unveils the fluctuations of employment over time, while offering insightful comparisons to both yearly and decade averages. To access additional details about specific elements within the dashboard, click on the Show Info option. This icon serves as a gateway to access information about the dashboard. Interacting with the dashboard, we can observe that the total number of employments for 2022 reached 214,200, reflecting a 3.5% growth from 2021, 3.4% national growth, and a significant 14.1% growth compared to 2017. On the left-hand side, there is a grid that allows you to conceal a chart or a group of charts by selecting a box within the grid. Subsequent selection of the same box will restore the visibility of the hidden charts. Typically, maps on our dashboard come with an interactive tooltip. This handy feature offers more detailed data when you move your mouse cursor over a specific area. These charts allow us to analyze the difference between each year's number of employments and the average number of employments of the entire decade. The yellow bar chart enables us to visualize the disparity between the average number of employments of specific decades, such as 2000 to 2009, 2010 to 2019, and 2020 to 2022 onwards. By hovering over or clicking on each bar, we can obtain detailed information about the number of employments for that year and sector. The red bar chart facilitates the analysis of annual average employment difference across different sectors from 2000 to 2022. By exploring the interactive black bar chart, it showcases the actual employment trend, alongside the dynamic yellow line representing the decade average, DA, and the dotted red line indicating the all-year average, A. The dashboard is equipped with customizable filters for your convenience. To explore the available options, simply click on the drop-down menu in the filters. Let's go ahead and select Hamilton City to observe the changes that occur upon applying a specific filter. Witness the transformative changes that unfold through the application of specific filters as we set the year to 2019. You have the ability to choose from a range of industries, and when you make a selection, the dashboard statistics will dynamically adjust. Let's dive in and select agriculture, forestry, and fishing as the industry. The dashboard statistics will be updated accordingly and will show the growth, employment rate over time, both as an annual average and the difference as a decade average for that specific sector. Next, we're going to look into the undo and redo functions. We'll proceed using our present view for this. The undo button takes you back one step. You can also use keyboard shortcuts Ctrl-Z for Windows or Command-Z for Mac OS. The redo button advances one step. Keyboard shortcuts are Ctrl-Y for Windows or Command+Shift+Z for Mac OS. The Share button, located at the bottom right corner of the dashboard, lets you easily share the dashboard with others. You have the option to share the current or original view using an embed code, a link, via email, Twitter, and Facebook. The Download option lets you export the report and its associated data. Choose the download format that suits your needs. For example, if you want an image, just click on Image and it'll immediately download a screenshot to your device. The full screen option enables you to view the dashboard at its maximum display size. The Replay Animation button, equipped with speed filters, enables users to replay and review previously displayed animations. The Revert button allows you to clear all filters and return to the dashboard's original view. The Download Image option empowers you to save a visually appealing snapshot of the current graph, with filters. These navigation function keys facilitate seamless exploration between dashboards, with the right arrow guiding you to the next one and the left arrow leading you to the previous dashboard. In addition, a smooth transition to the corresponding dashboard can be achieved with a simple click on the title tabs. Now let's explore employment, moving AVGS, trends by sector 2000 to 2022 dashboard. Explore this interactive dashboard to track the annual employment growth, observe the moving average number of employment, and compare employment growth to a reference year. Engage with this interactive graph showcasing the year-by-year growth of employment in different sectors from 2000 to 2022. The yellow line represents the dynamic moving average of employment growth. Here it specifically illustrates the 3-year moving average. Personalize your analysis of the moving average by selecting the desired number of years using the interactive moving average filter. In the employment growth percent graph, the gray bars represent the Waikato region, and the green line represents the Bay of Plenty region. By comparing the two regions to the reference year 2009, we observe that in the year 2022, the Bay of Plenty region experienced a 32% increase. The Waikato region experienced a smaller percentage increase of 29% compared to the Bay of Plenty region. We can customize the displayed areas, industries, and reference year by applying filters and adapt them according to our preferences. Engage with this interactive dashboard that visualizes the ranking of regions and TAs based on annual values of economic criteria such as GDP, employment, or business unit numbers. This is a bump chart. It provides an effective means to assess the ranking of regions and TAs based on a number of employments, allowing for a comprehensive understanding of their relative positions and trends. By selecting the manufacturing industry, you can interactively observe that Auckland region takes the lead with the highest number of employments, securing the first rank. You can have a similar interactive visualization experience by exploring the employment trends by sector TA ranking dashboard. The bump chart helps in contextualizing the data to the viewer. Just hover the mouse to select any point to get more information in the tooltip. Delve into this interactive dashboard to visually explore regional rankings based on percentage growth in sector employment. This feature allows for a comprehensive evaluation of regional performance. The data is presented using a 3-year moving average, and you can switch to a year-over-year view as well. In the TA ranking dashboard by sector employment growth percentage dashboard, you have the interactive freedom to choose manufacturing and set a moving average of 1 to explore the trends. For instance, by selecting Waikato District, you can trace its journey. It initially held the top position in 2001, declined to 8th place in 2003, regained the top spot in 2015, experienced a drop to 6th place in 2018, regained the first rank in 2019, and subsequently fell to 7th place in 2022. Moreover, you can switch between sectors seamlessly, like selecting the agriculture, forestry, and fishing sector to view the rankings. This exemplifies the dashboard's potency and user-friendly interactivity, making it a powerful tool for exploration and analysis. Dive into the interactive employment trends by sector ranking dashboard. In contrast to previous visualizations, this dashboard allows you to take a much deeper look within specific districts. For instance, when you select South Waikato, you can explore the top 10 industries in that region. By clicking and hovering over agriculture, you can uncover the employment trend and see the current number of employees in that sector. Let's take a closer look at the employment growth percentage dashboard, which tracks year-over-year sector rankings. This tool helps us see how different sectors are performing in terms of employment growth. In South Waikato District, the grocery sector stands out as the leader, showing an impressive 983% growth. Additionally, you have the flexibility to tailor the ranking to display the top number sectors of your choice. For instance, here we have selected the top 16 sectors for the interactive visualization. Let's embark on an exciting journey with the workforce diversity status in employment dashboard based on the Census 2018 data. This dynamic tool offers us insights into the employment landscape in New Zealand, providing a comprehensive view by employment status, gender, highest qualification, and age. By selecting Hamilton City, watch as the dashboard instantly populates with relevant statistics. Dive deeper into details such as employee numbers across different age groups, highest qualification, various areas, and employment statuses, like paid employees or self-employed individuals. Let's shift our focus to industry competitiveness within the sector and delve into the concept of location quotient. This powerful metric helps us gauge the potential and competitiveness of different industries. Let's dive into the Employment Shift Share Count dashboard, which provides a visual representation of how employment trends have changed over a specific time period in various industries. When we sort this data by regional shift, we can see that the top-performing industries are manufacturing, healthcare and social assistance, and professional, scientific, and technical services. This dashboard allows us to gain insights into which industries and sectors have influenced employment shifts, both nationally, regionally, and within specific industries. For example, within the manufacturing sector, there has been a total employment change of 6,823. Likewise, within the Employment Shift Share dashboard, you'll find even more detailed information. You can visually track employment number changes during various periods, such as the global financial crisis, GFC, the pre-GFC era, and the post-GFC period, or over the span of 2000 to 2022. These visuals are customizable and can be filtered by regions and territorial authorities within the Waikato region for a closer look at the data. Let's explore the Deprivation Index dashboard, also known as the Socioeconomic Deprivation Index dashboard. This interactive tool provides insights into the socioeconomic deprivation situation in New Zealand, utilizing a comprehensive index based on 9 census variables. With this dashboard, we can visualize the population and determine which decile they fall into regarding deprivation. For example, when we filter the information by selecting the Waipa district, we can see details about SA2 areas, including their population and deprivation index. To pinpoint highly deprived areas, simply select the corresponding bars, and the dashboard will update accordingly. Additionally, you can click or hover over an area and use the selection tool to choose specific regions. Let's dive into the Index of Multiple Deprivation dashboard, which sheds light on the socioeconomic deprivation scenario in New Zealand using 7 specific criteria. For instance, if you're interested in understanding the level of deprivation in Hamilton City, you can easily filter the information by selecting Hamilton City within the index by areas and domains visual. If you find yourself needing support or have any questions related to the trends of Waikato economy dashboards, or our other digital dashboards, don't hesitate to contact us at info@daytondashboards.co.nz.